Chief Potabom asked the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigations to help in the investigation of the death of Autumn Elgersma. On Tuesday, October 29th, 2013, Rochelle Sapp, age 33, of Orange City, Iowa, was providing daycare services at her residence for 3-year-old Autumn Elgersma, also from here in Orange City, Iowa. An incident occurred at Sapp's home, which resulted in Autumn being hospitalized with severe head trauma. Autumn was initially treated for her injuries at the Orange City Hospital, but because of the severity of her injuries, she was subsequently airlifted to Sanford Hospital in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Autumn died as a result of her injuries on October 31st, 2013. An autopsy was conducted by the Iowa State Medical Examiner's Office in Ankeny, Iowa, and they have now released their findings concerning Autumn's death. The medical examiner has determined that Autumn died as a result of blunt force head trauma. Autumn's death has been ruled a homicide. Earlier today, the state of Iowa initiated criminal charges against Sapp. Sapp has now been charged with murder in the first degree, a Class A felony, and child endangerment resulting in death, a Class B felony. Sapp was arrested at her home this morning by Chief Potabom here of the Orange City Police Department, and she was taken to the Sioux County Jail where she remains. Bond has been set in the amount of $250,000. Sapp will make her initial appearance in Sioux County District Court within the next 24 hours. The agencies involved in this investigation include the Orange City Police Department, the Minnehaha County Sheriff's Office, the Sioux Falls Police Department, and the Iowa Division of Criminal Investigation. I understand that you'll have some questions, and I'll open up the questions in just a moment. But before I do so, I just want to say one thing. I just want to caution you that the Iowa Rules of Professional Responsibilities prevent me as a prosecutor and the investigators to comment on the facts and circumstances of the crime outside of what's already contained in the public record, which would be the complaints and affidavits filed at the clerk's office. I will tell you that in a short period of time, those complaints and affidavits will be available at the clerk's office for your review. With that, I will open it up for any questions. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was wondering, why was there such a long delay? I mean, when the young girl passed away in the Sioux Falls Hospital 3 days afterwards, and you had made the initial arrest charges against Sapp, and then we went on for a little over a month here before the findings were conclusive. Why the delay on that?
Well, the death of a child is a serious matter, of course, and in any investigation involving a child death or any suspicious death, it's important that the investigation be careful, thorough, complete, and comprehensive. In this case, the initial charges were based on the medical evidence and opinion available to the state at that time. Upon Autumn's death, the circumstances changed. The medical examiner's office in Des Moines, to their credit, took the time to make sure they did a thorough and complete examination, and we, like everybody else, were waiting for them to render an opinion for us to evaluate so we can move forward with charges. So that's the reason for the delay.
And my other question to that, will she be prosecuted here in Sioux County?
Well, the charges have been filed here in Sioux County, yes, sir. Other questions?
Was there any problem when you arrested her this morning? Was she peaceful or not peaceful?
She was arrested without incident, yes. Any other questions?
I know you can't comment necessarily on what's on public record, but is it public record what the circumstances were prior to the incident, what caused the incident?
Well, again, I'll refer you to the complaint. I really can't talk in any detail about the circumstances surrounding her death, except what's in the public record. Anything else? Well then, thank you very much for your time. and
I do have a
attention.
question. Between her initial arrest and her rearrest today, was Ms. Sapp still operating as a daycare provider? Were other children in the custody of her care during that time?
Not that I'm aware of. Any other questions? Well, thank you for your time and attention, and have a good day.